Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Golf oil light. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the trip reset button on your dashboard, which is typically found near the speedometer or odometer display. This button is crucial for navigating the service menu. Once the ignition is on, press and hold the trip reset button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the service interval display appear on your instrument cluster screen. This indicates you have successfully entered the service reset mode, allowing you to proceed with the next important step. After the service interval display appears, release the trip reset button. Then, immediately press the same button again, but this time only briefly. This quick press confirms your intention to reset the oil service light. You should then see the light disappear from your dashboard display, indicating a successful reset. To ensure the reset was successful, turn your car's ignition completely off, then restart the engine. The oil service light should no longer be illuminated. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace an actual oil change. Always perform regular maintenance to keep your VW Golf running smoothly and prevent future warnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.